To create a second account on BlaBlaCar, start by locating the App Store on your device, which can be found by swiping through your screens until you see the App Store icon. Click on the App Store, then select the search option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Next to other menu items, type BlaBlaCar into the search bar. And from the search results, download the BlaBlaCar app, which may be listed as BlaBlaCar, Carpooling and Bus. Once the app has been downloaded, exit the App Store and find the newly installed app on your device. Open the app, and you will see various sections, including Search, Publish, Messages, and your profile. To add a second account, note that merging accounts is not an option, but you can use multiple accounts. Go to your profile, where you will see options to close your account or log out. Select the Logout option. After logging out, you can choose to sign in with a different account or register to create a new one, all while using the same app. This process allows you to have multiple accounts on BlaBlaCar.